Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a gradient logo design. I've got the snapping enabled right here, and I also got the snap to pass active, so make sure you start there as well. And we'll use the rectangle tool. Let me transform it a little bit with the selection tool right here, and I press Ctrl D and drag a copy out of there. I double click on it and rotate it holding Ctrl. Let me give it a different color so that you can see it properly. And I'll position it to this side. Now I use the Bezier tool and I only have to follow the basic lines. And now I can use the nodes tool and I hold Ctrl to drag it to the side. Shift click on the black element and the light red, then path and difference. So that gives us a good angle. Let me copy this one again. So I use Ctrl D once more. I want to skew this, so double click on it and then drag this icon right here a little bit to the left. And I'll rotate this one holding Ctrl. It should snap to the corner, and if I put it to the bottom, we've got the shape that we need. But it kind of looks odd when it comes to the thickness. But let me show you this by drawing two lines with the Bezier tool. I'll hold Ctrl while I do. And now you can see this one has the same width as the other one has in height. So the thickness is actually the same, but due to the skewing, our eye doesn't see that properly. So it makes sense to adjust this one manually a little bit, but don't hold any keys, just drag it upwards, which transforms it slightly, and then make it smaller from left to right. And even though now the thickness isn't the same, our eye just likes it way more, at least that's my impression. Now we'll have to add the gradient. Make sure the element is selected, then use the gradient tool. We need a linear gradient and we need to add it to the fill. Now just left click and drag, and the snapping should help. Go to fill and stroke under object and adjust the opacity first so that you've got 100% for each point. And now I like to use the color wheel. And you can see the effects applied in real time. Just pick two colors that you like and make one a little bit darker. In this case, it makes sense to put the darker one at the bottom, so the bottom point of your gradient, and the lighter color to the top point. So something like this, and maybe you want to reposition these and then start points, which also affects the gradient. Now let's go to the second one, make sure it's selected, and once again we use a linear gradient for the fill. Again, at first, select the nodes, so select the start and end point that you want to adjust. In this case, on the right hand side, I want to have a darker color. I'll make sure the opacity is 100, so crank that up down here. And you want to give the left side a lighter color. You can do everything by hand, but you can also just pick two colors for the first element. Let me show you this. When the gradient tool is active, I select it. So I select the bottom point here, and then I go to this hex code. I select it, Ctrl A, and then Ctrl C to copy. And now I just paste it into this point. Maybe it makes sense if I reposition this a little bit more. So you want to make the dark parts right here where there is this fold, you could say. And let me paste the lighter color here as well. So always copy paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to achieve that. We turn off the snapping for now, it gives you a little bit more freedom. And in the end you can select it or Ctrl G to group it. And this is basically it. This is how you can create such a gradient logo design in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.